Hi everyone! In today's video I'm using some of my favorite colors to do a dip technique, and I'm actually trying out Floetrol for my pouring medium. I normally use Sargent Art gloss medium, and I just wanted to see how the Floetrol would work. So I have my wood heart, I have my colors mixed up, about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, and then I have my gloves that I will use for the dip. I have white for my background, and then I have pink, orange, and yellow. And I found out very quickly that this was not going to work out as well as I had hoped. Normally my white is just a good base, and as I was putting the colors down in my puddles for my dips, I noticed that the white was really overtaking the other colors. So obviously, each pouring medium that you use is going to be different from each other, different brands, and this one just did not work out the way that I wanted it to. But it's always interesting and fun to test out new mixtures, new pouring mediums, just to see what happens. But to create these dips, I always just create puddles on my surface. I like to use yellow in the middle, and then I put the orange and the pink around it, and you will see pretty quickly the orange starts kind of sinking into the white, and the pink will do the same thing, and it just kind of disappears. I tried adding some more orange to see if I could get it to just kind of show up a little bit more, and it didn't really help at all. So that white base was just kind of taking over. Once I had my puddles down, I just used my glove to dip in them, and again, my paint did not keep the shape of the flower that I normally get, so this just was not working out for me this time. So I think I will just stick with my pouring medium that I normally use and not use Floetrol for this style of painting. I find that it definitely works better for me for things like Dutch pours. But I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and thank you all so much for watching.